Endless us. Yeah.
මේ තියෙන්නේ වක්වි මලක්.
ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ channel එක subscribe කරන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලොකු පිනක්.
Hi everyone, a warm welcome to our YouTube channel Endless Us. Today we are heading to a beautiful spot in Baduraliya, Sri Lanka to enjoy some free time. But guess what? We are not going alone. We thought, why not take you along with us? Together we will explore, relax and enjoy every little moment in this journey has to offer. So sit back, get ready and let's begin this adventure. Because today is not just us, it's endless us with you. Everywhere I look, it's only green. The trees, the plants, nature is all around me. It feels so calming, giving peace to my eyes and mind. As we move forward, we are entering a quiet village where the beauty of greenery welcomes us at every step. See guys, the road here is broken, so I had to get down and walk a little bit. But honestly, it makes the journey feel more fun. Finally guys, we arrived at our destination. The road doesn't go all the way, so we had to park our motorbikes here. From this point, we will continue on foot. It's just a short walk. Let's go together and see what's waiting for us ahead. You know guys, Baduraliya is full of waterfalls and little streams. I will take you around and show them later. Right now, we are actually standing on the top of a waterfall. But looks like with this hot weather, the water has almost dried up.
Oh, Atura.
Alright guys, let's see if we can find a good spot. So guys, this is the spot we have chosen to spend today. The weather is a bit warm, but the water feels super cooled. I brought some clothes I usually wear to clean.
දිස්නා ඒවත් අපිට බලන්න.
So guys, we talked freely for a while because we met after a while. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is one of my best friend and my husband. There were many fish in the water. You can see them now. They are coming toward us without fear. Actually guys, places like this are both beautiful and unsafe to the max. That's why we need to know how to protect ourselves. Since it's not a place where many people gather, we need to be very careful.
ඒක අපිට පික්චර් කාලයක් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගේට් බැලුවේ vlog එකක්. අපි vlog වලට බලාගන්නවා. අපේ channel එකේ vlog. නේචරේට ඊයානේ.
හරි. කට හොදගෙන මොකද්ද ඔයා කියලා ලෑස්ති වෙන්නේ?
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Endless us.
Endless us.
Gather together.
Gather together.
That's cute.
Okay.
හදාගෙන ඕන මේ කියන්න මේ. දැන් කිය.
නැවතත් අපි අලුත් වීඩියෝ එකකින් ලබන සතිය ඔයගොල්ලොත් එක්ක හමු වෙනතුරු එහෙනම් අපි කියන්නේ Endless us.
End us. End us. One. 1, 2, 3.
Endless us.
Bisa kalian. Ega 1, 2, 3.
Malu kan.
මේක හරි ලස්සන මලක්.
මල පිපෙන්නේ බෑ.
ඒක
යාළුවනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ channel එක subscribe කරන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලොකු පිනක්. නිවන් දකින්න ජාතිත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට
පොයේ දවසේ
මේ පොයේ දවසේ මේ පින ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ නිවන් දකින්නම හේතු වේවා කියලා මම ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා.
ඇති ආනගොම් මේ ඊළඟට සමග ගන්නවා වගේ.
After 3 hours, we just got back. We didn't even notice the time passing. So this is how we spend our day off. These two are really crazy.
ඕගලන්ට කොක්කද අද දවස් ගැන කියන්න තියෙන්නේ? ඉඳලා නාපු කියන.
අනේ මේක සබ්ස්ක්‍රයිබ් කරන්න කරුණාවෙන් ඉල්ලා සිටිනවා. පින් සිද්ධ වෙයි.
ඊයා මේ යන ගොන් විදියට ඉන්නවා.
මේ ඔයලා මේක සබ්ස්ක්‍රයිබ් කරන්න ඕනේ.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.